Yo, what is going on, guys? It's Sam here, and today I'm bringing you a new video. Today's video is going to be another exciting video because Thomas finally ordered his coilovers and we're going to slap his BMW. You know how Cervantes garage do it. And he just went inside to get the package and we're going to unbox it for you guys. So Thomas actually going to be looking like this now. Except he don't got wheels yet. I mean, he does got wheels, but he don't like them. He's about to get some new wheels. But we're finally going to slam Thomas BMW and it's going to look good. So Thomas is actually on eBay springs right now, and they won't that good. They're very bouncy. The front lowered a lot and the back didn't lower anything. But you excited for your coilovers, Thomas?
I want to see how it's gonna drop.
Hey, so here's the box. We're about to unbox it and take a look at the brand new fresh coilovers. It's about to be lit. We're unboxing everything and it was very packed, very well packaged. A lot of this little foam thing, but let's take a look at the fresh new brand coilover. Alright guys, well here's the fresh new coilover. Show it, Thomas.
Damn, it look nice. Feel like Christmas back again.
Yeah, these are the front coilovers and this is the shock and the coil for the back. They look very good quality, like they look very good. Alright guys, so here goes the brand new coilovers. One good thing that Thomas got was camber plates, because I know a lot of coilovers don't come with that. You gotta order that separate. Some of them do, like I think BC got them, D2, my D2s came with it. But everything y'all want to know about these coilovers, I will have the links down below in the description. So if y'all want to go buy the same ones, these are for XI, so go check it out in the description. So we about to jack up Thomas' car, and hopefully we get this installed very easily, because I'm used to taking my suspension off and taking it on and off, and you know, so it should be easy. Alright guys, Thomas just jacked up the car from the middle, that way we can do both sides. That way we can show y'all how to do these sides, and I'm not going to record us doing this side because it's going to be the same process repeating. So let's go ahead and get these babies installed. Alright guys, it's been a minute since I've been recording. We ran into a lot of complications with Thomas' car, but we got the coilover on. Let me see if I can get a better look. There goes the coilover. We still gotta put this part in, but that's the last part, but we already got everything in. We're about to do the back side, and hopefully that's way smoother than this one, because this one was very complicated. This bolt right here was not coming off, and then it was a hassle to put it back on. But so far the coilover is looking good. Let's do this. I actually lost like 2 bolts because it fell somewhere down there, but luckily Thomas coilovers came with some new bolts and they like gold shiny. Can't really tell on camera, but they got the brand embroidered in them, so that looks really good. Okay, since we got that coilover done, now it's time to do the passenger coilover. I know I didn't really show too much because we ran into a lot of complications, but let's get this shock out of the way. Okay, we found the back shock. You gotta remove all this thing from the truck, and there should be 2 bolts, and the shock should come right off, and maybe 1 more or 2 bolts from the bottom. Yo, Thomas, what you doing, man?
Think about life, man.
What are you thinking about?
Hopefully this should go low. So, I don't know. I didn't pay that much just for 1 inch.
Dang, well you just look at the difference. God, he was definitely in need of upgrade of the shocks. I think these are blown, I don't know. But let's go ahead and put these on. This was actually very easy. It's just 2 bolts and 1 bolt on the bottom. Anybody can do that. That side took literally like 5 minutes. There was no problem with the bolts, no problem taking it off. Everything was easy. It was just bolts in, bolts out. Thomas is putting his wheels back on right now. That way we can see how low it went. We slammed it all the way. It might not be as low because the other side is still on springs. We're gonna do the next side and hopefully it looks good. Guys, look at those shocks. Tell me that thing don't already look lowered and it's not even dropped to the ground yet. Alright guys, it's been like 2 hours since we've been installing the coilovers in this car. The only reason that side took like an hour and something because the bolt was rusted, it wouldn't come off. We already got this last coilover out, got that coilover in, and hopefully we'll show you how low it went. I think it went pretty low. What you think, Thomas?
I'm more excited, man. I'm glad I upgraded.
Yeah, so let's get this last coilover installed. Alright guys, Thomas just lowered his car all 4 ways. Look at that thing. That thing went very low. He also got a lot more low to go, but he don't want to go as low right now. Why not, Thomas? Why don't you want to go low? Why don't you want to lower it more, Thomas? Why don't you want to lower it more, man?
I don't know, man.
Why were you digging your nose?
I'm not about that life.
That thing looks super good. It's low as shit. We have nothing to record now. Maybe we'll go see how well these ride, but I also want to fix my car because I got a loose spark plug, and you can really tell when I turn on the car. It has a sound. I'll show y'all that in a minute, but you want to go take it for a test drive, Thomas?
Oh.
Hey. Okay guys, that was a few little rollers of Thomas' car. We're about to go see how good it drives, and hopefully it drives good. That way we recommend these coilovers to you guys. How did they ride to you, Thomas?
Pretty smooth, man. I really like it better than last one.
Yeah, I'm sure they're better than Springs. Let's go see how this car drives. Alright, we about to hit the road and see how good they drive. If you're a subscriber, you know we did this dashboard black and it was 10. How's it handling, Thomas?
It's better than the last one, man. I really like it. Well, I pay for it.
Yeah, it feels good. It's not bouncy at all. Okay guys, I'm about to go ahead and end the video. I know it wasn't a lot of in-depth how to install these. That's because there's a lot of other videos out there on YouTube that shows you how to install this step by step, that can explain it way better than me. But yeah guys, let us know if you want us to finish Thomas' door panels. That's the last step we got to paint his whole interior. We're running out of ideas on the videos, guys. Uploading weekly and trying to order parts weekly gets expensive, and YouTube doesn't pay me back that much. Let us know what else you want to see. Wait on the new cars. We don't want to do very much performance mod on these old BMWs. Alright guys, this is my car. I don't really got that much plans for it no more, other than the wrap. And after the wrap, that's gonna be all I do to my E46. I got it where I really want it. I don't know what else to do with it. But yeah guys, like I said, drop a like, subscribe if you're new. It's been Cervantes Garage. Stay humble, stay blessed. We out. Peace.
So, diamond rings come my fist up. After she sucked my dick, she got kicked off and kicked up. I ain't cuffing that bitch, that ain't on my agenda. Met that bitch in LA, but I fucked her in Atlanta. 30 pointers in my chain, going fast in my own lane, like Gunna, I drip insane.